Hey, so I wanted to show you guys my new candle warmer. It is this gorgeous crystal candle warmer. So feminine, beautiful. You could turn the heat up and down, the light. So you could have it dimmer, brighter, and then that's how it looks. So beautiful. And I'm going to turn my light on here in the background just so you can get a better look here at this actual piece. So we've got this nice, heavy, gorgeous piece down here, and then all of these crystals hanging here, which look gorgeous, reflecting all of the light as well. And I got this in the gold. And it plugs right into the wall and has a little handle here. It's hard to see with my lighting. Just add something different to your room as well. What I love about candle warmers is it makes me little handle here that has all of your functional buttons. So there you go. I feel really safe about having candles in my home. I don't really like lighting candles. I have little kids, fire risks, all of those things. So having this gives me that peace of mind that the candle is just melting on here. Of course, you want to be careful because this is a hot element and it's a hot surface. So obviously with children, telling them not to touch it and things like that. Right now, I have one of the modes going, one of the light modes, but I'm going to show you here what else you can do with this as well. So you can have it stay on the colors that you like. You can put the timer on.